Hi all, NCERT, Class 8 Physics Chapter, Light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which gives us a sensation of vision. What happens if light falls on a polished surface? It will refract. So what is refraction? It is the bouncing back of light when it falls on a polished surface. When light falls on a polished surface, it will reflect. The ray that falls on the polished surface is known as incident ray, and the ray that reflected back from the polished surface is known as reflected ray. If you draw a line making an angle of 90 degrees to the line representing the point where the incident ray strikes, this line is known as normal. The angle between the normal and incident ray is called the angle of incidence. It is represented by small letter I. And the reflected ray is known as the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of refraction. It is denoted by small letter r. Laws of refraction. The first law of refraction is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. The second law, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. Properties of an image formed by plane mirror. First, the image obtained is virtual. That is, it cannot be obtained on a screen. The image is laterally inverted. The image is erect. The size of the image is the same as the size of the object. The distance between the image obtained is the same as the distance between the object from the mirror. Regular reflection and irregular reflection. In regular reflection, the reflected rays are on a parallel form and regular reflection obeys the laws of reflection. In irregular reflection, the reflected rays are not in a parallel form and they do not obey the laws of reflection. Reflected light can be reflected again. How? If light falls on a polished surface and it is reflected, if that reflected ray falls on another polished surface, it will reflect again. So, reflected light can be reflected again. Multiple images. Mirrors inclined to each other give multiple images. This phenomena is used in kaleidoscope, mirror, periscope, etc. In stethoscope, multiple reflection takes place, but it is the multiple reflection of sound. If we place two plane mirrors and the angle between the two mirrors is 180 degrees, then we can only see one image. If the angle is 120 degrees, then we can see two images. If the angle is 90 degrees, we can see three images. If the angle is 45 degrees, 7. So, decrease in the angle leads to increase in images. Thank you.